There once lived a crow. One day he was very hungry. He had not been able to get any food previous day. If I do not get anything to eat, I will starve to death, he thought. As the crow was searching for food, his eyes fell on a piece of bread. He quickly swooped down, picked it up and flew off. Far away in a lonely place, he sat on a tree to enjoy the bread. Just then a hungry fox saw the crow sitting on the tree holding the bread in his mouth. Yummy! That bread looks delicious. What I would give to get that piece of bread, the fox thought. The fox decided to use all his cunning means to get the piece of bread from the mouth of the crow. He sat under the tree. The crow saw him and thought, I guess this fox wants to eat my bread. I shall hold it carefully. And he held on to the bread, even more tightly. The clever fox spoke to the crow politely. He said, Hello friend. How do you do? But the crow did not say anything. Crows are such lovely birds. And you are very charming too, said the fox, flattering the crow. Then the fox said, I have heard that besides being beautiful, you also have a sweet voice. Please sing a song for me. By now the crow started to believe what the fox was saying. The fox knows true beauty. I must be the most beautiful bird in this whole world. I will sing him a song, thought the crow. As soon as the foolish crow opened his mouth to sing, the bread fell onto the ground from his beak. The clever fox, which had just been waiting for this very moment, caught the bread in his mouth and gulped it down his throat. The crow had paid a heavy price for his foolishness.